Let's make chocolate covered raisin clusters. Try this homemade version of your favorite nostalgic candy. This recipe has only 2 ingredients, organic dark chocolate chips and organic raisins, and it skips all the crap that's in the store-bought version. Start by adding 226 grams of mini dark chocolate chips to a heat-proof mixing bowl. You can melt the chocolate either using a double boiler, or you can also do this in the microwave doing 30-second intervals, stirring between each one to prevent from burning. If you want to temper the chocolate for this recipe, you can also do that. I'll link my tempering chocolate post in the description for a tutorial on how to temper chocolate. Once the chocolate is melted, add in 155 grams of raisins and stir to combine completely. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and drop spoonfuls of the chocolate raisin mixture onto the baking sheet. You'll get about 16 candies depending on the size you choose to make. I like to make them using a larger soup spoon, and that makes them about 2 bite candies. Once all the candies are spooned onto the baking sheet, place it in the fridge or the freezer. This will help speed up setting the chocolate. If you don't temper the chocolate, then you may just want to store these in the refrigerator to prevent them from sweating. This recipe is so much healthier than store-bought, so I hope you love this 2-ingredient candy recipe as much as I do. If you want more easy organic candy recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.